Hello student, this video related to your unit test. Your unit test syllabus SST is the chapter number 1, 2 and 3rd is geography. In this video we discuss about the most question of chapter number 1. The name of chapter is resources. So we discuss question number first. The resources which can be used directly without any modification are called, यानी कि ऐसे जो संसाधन जो डायरेक्टली हम उनको बिना किसी बदलाव के यूज़ करते हैं, इनमें आपको 4 ऑप्शन है जिनमें से आपको इसमें करेक्ट आंसर चूज़ करना है. नॉन रिलायबल, रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज, substantial resources, and D, both B and C. So answer is D, both non-renewable resources and renewable resources. Second question is, the machinery and vehicle are example for, यानी कि मशीनरी और व्हीकल किसके उदाहरण हैं? A, ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्सेज, B, ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज, C, substantial resources या D, conservative resources. The answer is B, human resources. Third is, which one of the following is the principle of sustainable development, यानी कि इसमें से कौन सा सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट का उदाहरण है? A, balance between use and conservation of resources. B, cut the trees. Third, use vehicle that cause pollution. D, allow industries to carry on legal mine. So answer is A, balance between use and conservation of resources. Question number 4 is, how can we conserve resources, यानी कि हम रिसोर्सेज को कंजर्व यानी कि संरक्षण कैसे कर सकते हैं? ऑप्शन ए, अलाउ लीगल माइंस, बी, इन्वेंट न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी, सी, गिव रिसोर्सेज टाइम टू गेट रिनोव्ड, एंड डी, अलाउ इंडस्ट्रीज टू demolish forest. So answer is C, give resources time to get renewed. The question number 5 is, sustainable development is A right balance between use the resources and conservation of resources. B, allow the resources to be renewed. C, promote recycling and technological device, and D, allow clearing of forest of construction apartment. The answer is A right balance between use of resources and conservation of resources. The question number 6 is, which of the following is a example of human resources, यानी कि निम्न में से ह्यूमन मानव संसाधन का एक उदाहरण है? A, फॉरेस्ट, B, लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी, C, पीपल, and D, एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स. The right answer is C, people. Question number 7, the example of non-renewable resources are the A, petrol and gases, B, solar energy, C, wind energy, and D, smartphones. The answer is petrol and gases. Question number 8 is, the example of human-made resources are ऑप्शन ए, विंड एनर्जी, बी, कोल, सी, buildings, and D. jungles. The answer is C. buildings. Question number 9 is, when natural substance change for the become resources, they are called. The option is A. renewable resources, B. non-renewable resources, C. human-made resources, and D. conservative resources. The answer is C. human-made resources. Question number 10. The amount of resources available for use are called. यानी कि हमारे लिए जो टोटल रिसोर्सेज की जो संख्या है उसे हम किस नाम से जानते हैं. ऑप्शन ए इज़ कंजर्वेटिव रिसोर्सेज, बी स्टॉक ऑफ रिसोर्सेज, सी सब्सटेंशियल रिसोर्सेज, एंड डी man-made resources. The answer is B. stock of resources. Question number 11 is, a substance or object become resources because of its A. features, B. utility, C. price, and D. renewability. So the question number 11 answer is B. utility. Next question, question number 12. Which of the following resources have maximum economic value? Option A metal, option B desert region, option C roads, and option D landscapes. The answer is metals. Question number 13. How do you important executive write over an innovation? The option is by parenting, B by selling it to any company, C by selling it to government authorities, and D not relying it. The answer is A. Question number 14. The resources which take millions of years to get renewed are. The option is renewable resources, option B non-renewable resources, C solar power, and D human resources. The right answer is the option B non-renewable resources. Next question, question number 15. Processed food is an example of option A natural resources, option B human made resources, option C resources in stock, and option D non-renewable resources. The right answer is option B human made resources. Next question, question number 16. The number or ability of people is usually referred as. Option A human resources, option B stock of resources, option C natural resources, and option D renewable resources. The right answer is option A human resources. Question number 17. Tropical forests are an example of option A natural resources, option B conservative resources, option C man-made resources, option D non-renewable resources. The right answer is option A natural resources. Question number 18. Which of these is not a example of sustainable development. Option A, legal mine. Option B, air pollution. Option C, conserve the diversity of the earth. And option D, let wind animal remain in their natural habit. So the right answer is legal mining. Next question, question number 19. Question number 19. Which of the following is example of renewable resources? Option A, solar resources. Option B, cutting of trees. Option C, diesel used. And option D, killing animals. The right answer is option A, solar energy. The last question of this chapter is question number 20. Improving the quality of human life is an example of A, stock of resources. Option B, human resources. Option C, sustainable development. And option D, utility. The right answer is option C, sustainable development. So student, the 20 question, total 20 question, the most important question for your unit test 2, the lesson number 1. So you learn it, and these questions